The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Yes, we're back at it again, doing some quick videos about this phone. I think I'm just gonna keep going like this, man. Just shooting little videos instead of like one long, crazy review. I'm just gonna shoot little videos about things and features that I like. And that's just how this is gonna go because it's my channel and I do whatever the I want. With that being said, I'm gonna show you something I just learned and it's super cool and I know you're gonna be interested. But first, I gotta roll that doggone intro, baby. Let's do it. Man, I love that intro, man. It gets me hyped up every time. Okay, so the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I learned, well, I was watching the keynote and they said that you could use the Galaxy Buds Live while recording video with your Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And I was like, cool, I've been wanting to do this for a long time. So I looked in the settings and there's nothing in the settings that I could readily see, right? And I was like, man, this is not working. So I got on the phone with Samsung, chat and everything. I was like, hey, you promised me this could do this. And to no avail, they could not help me. At some point, I went through and I was just playing around with the pro settings because my man here, hold up, what's my man's name? His name is EJB. He actually pointed out that you can actually shoot 1080p 24 frames per second with this phone via going into the pro video settings, because in my initial video about this phone, I kind of ranted that I don't like the fact that you can't record 1080p 24 on a lot of these phones, such as the Note 20 Ultra or Plus. It doesn't do that. But this one, if you go in the pro settings, you can do 1080p 24. And while I was in there, man, you got to check this out, man. You got to check this out. So let me open up my camera real quick. Hold on. Let me get you in there, man. Can you see that right there? Okay, what does this say? Take selfies easily, whatever. Okay, so I don't want to take a selfie. You're looking at my overhead cam right there. Let me back up a little bit. Let me back you up. Okay, let's turn it to landscape. And then we're going to go into pro video. All right, so we'll go into the settings of pro video and let me turn it again. You're not gonna be able to see this. Let me turn down that ISO a little bit. If you go into pro video, it goes from rear video size and front video size only, but as soon as you unlock the pro video, it goes into this pro video size. So you can go in here and pick the resolution for all, look at that. Oh man, so 1080p 24, that's what I like to shoot with. So we'll go with that. But then this is the thing I want to tell y'all about, man. This is clutch right here. So you see that little gauge right there? That little audio gauge. So let me turn it. Okay, so what we do here is you'll see a little microphone here that says Omni. Let me zoom in there real quick. You see that? Oh man, it's not zooming. It's not focusing. Get focused. There you go. All right, so it says Omni. When you click it, it says front, rear, USB, and Bluetooth. So with that being said, we are stuck on Omni right now because I do not have USB or Bluetooth set up right now. But for the rest of this video, hold on, let me, this is good, man. So I got a USB mic right here. This is a Rode NT USB. Okay, this is my USB mic. I have a Samsung OTG adapter, okay? Let me grab the, this. I'm gonna plug it in just like this. You see this? I'm gonna plug it in so you know I'm not messing with you here. And then I'm gonna plug this in here just like such. Can you see that? All right, yeah, I'm plugging that in. And now when I go to it just recognizes it. It says USB right there. So right now, hold on, let me hit record. Okay, so you see that right there? I'm recording you, recording me on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And so just so you know, this mic is actually working on the Note 20 Ultra. You can't do it on selfie though. So I gotta hold it like this. Okay, so now you can probably see me. Can you see me? Can you see me seeing myself? But I'm using this USB mic. So those people who want to do like recordings and stuff with whatchamacallit, with USB mics, you know, the Yetis and stuff, you know, if you just want to do some video and you don't have a PC to hook all this stuff up to, now you can get yourself an OTG adapter and plug it into your USB mic and record via Pro Video. I hope that's not too distracting. But you know what? Now we got to cut over to the Galaxy Buds Live test. So let's go. I want to show you this, man. I'm so excited. Let's go. All right, so here we are. We are in my backyard and I'm walking around freely, as you can hear my voice on these Galaxy Buds Live connected to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I'm way back here and you can hear my voice. It should be even all the way around as I walk through, and I'm gonna walk a little bit closer. That way you should be able to hear my voice a little closer, or if it wasn't working, you would hear my voice get closer. But it should be remaining steady, letting you know that I'm actually recording through the Galaxy Buds Live. Now, here's the thing. Yes, you can adjust the decibel all the way from -12 to 0 to +12. And I think I have a 4 dB boost on my earbuds because it lets you do that because it's pro settings. So I thought that was stinking awesome, man. This is a huge game changer for content creating on your phone. And I'm really glad that Samsung unlocked this feature on these phones with the 24p in pro mode, or 24p, 1080 24 FPS, and as well as recording audio via USB and Bluetooth. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but you can actually use any Bluetooth headset. I've tried it with my my Sony XM3s and it works just fine. So any Bluetooth headset, I'm just talking about the Galaxy Buds Live because that's the new thing out right now. Either way, I am no expert in this kind of stuff. I just found this out for myself. Now I want to share it with you guys because I think it's a very useful tool in regards to using this camera, which I don't have the settings tweaked. So hopefully this camera quality is coming out good because it really is a great camera set up on the Note 20 Ultra. It's just overly done and too big. But yeah, so the camera settings aren't tweaked to perfection, so I don't really know what you're looking at right now. But I just wanted to test out these buds on camera for you to see. I'm not an expert in this kind of stuff, but I do think this is a great utility to be able to use. I got to get out of here, man. But while I'm gone, y'all keep being good to each other, and I'll see you when I see you. Oh, so you wanted them cats that like to just run up in a place, take what you want, then leave, huh? Man, you better hit that subscribe and notification button. That way you know when I'm over here opening up new stuff. And while you're down there, you might want to consider tapping that join button and becoming a member, because membership has its perks. See, that wasn't so bad. All right, man, I appreciate you, and I'll see you at the next one.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?